Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. In today's video, I will be finally reviewing the Thinborne Aramid fiber case for the Z Fold 7. I know I'm a little late to the game. I finally got Mr. Call, the owner, to send me out this case because I've been having people asking me to review it. I know a lot of y'all already picked it up. So if you haven't, watch this video, use the links in the description, help out a small YouTuber and a small case company get their feet down, planted on the ground. But this is Aramid fiber case. It is a very minimalistic case. I know with this case, you do get a screen protector. So it's like you're getting a full thing, your front, back, and the screen protector on here to protect your beautiful investment. Like I said, I need to shout them out. They finally sent it to me. But like we normally do my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? You know, how strong is the MagSafe on here? Do you get camera protection at all? Any lip protection? Does it fit overall well? Does it, fall off the phone easy? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But the one thing you're gonna always get with Thinborne's cases is great presentation. And like I said, you get a full, look. You get books in here, you get the back piece, you get a lot of grip, a lot of adhesive strips in there, and you get the front piece too. I'm not going to install the screen protector on there, I have one, but you do get one. Come on, Cole. Great job there, Thinborne. But it's a nice presentation. Look, that's a nice box. But here is the case itself. Bam. You had the MagSafe on there. And this is very minimalistic, y'all. Very minimalistic. So let me take off these adhesive strips. Alright, so I was able to get all the adhesive strips on there. What I recommend doing is making sure that they all down before you try to peel them off. Because some of it was coming off. But let's see how this bad boy fits in this thing. And here's the front piece. So you don't get hinge protection, but I wouldn't expect you to do. But the first thing that you're gonna notice is that it is not adding bulk to your phone. Like, this is having a skin on there. Look at the camera protection. You do get a lot of protection there. You get some lip protection at the top and the bottom there. You can see you get some protection there. The power button has a lot of room. If my finger will work. Volume rocker, same thing. Everything lines up at the bottom there. Same thing at the top. Don't have hinge protection, but when you open it up, you do have protection there, and you get to use the whole screen too. And it does not add bulk, man. This is not a bulky case. Look how precise that other camera cutout too is. You have a little Thinborne logo there. Now, this one might become one of my favorites. And the only thing for me is missing the hinge protection, but Call if you're out there. Maybe make one with the hinge protection. But I like the grip. I like how open it is on there. The power buttons are great. I like the camera protection you get. And again, if you don't want to add any bulk to your phone, you want these minimalistic cases here. Can you wireless charge, and how strong is that magnet? Again, I don't think you will have a problem. Let's see, wireless charging. Yes, you can wireless charge, as you can see there. And then the magnet. Not bad. Not bad. Thinborne. Okay. So the magnet is really strong on there. You're not. It's not just going to come flopping off when you're using it. So overall, this is a solid case. If you're looking for a very minimalistic case, look no further. This is one that's right there. Along with one of my favorites right now is the Binks. The only thing the Binks has is the hinge protection, but These are very minimalistic cases. These are the ones that you want to use around the house, or if you don't drop your phone, then these are the cases that you want to really use. And this looks, I love it. I like the look of it. Bam. And then, yeah, it fits, I mean, really well. It's hard, almost impossible to get off. We're trying to do it on the camera now. Yeah, I mean, this case fits really good. So the overall fit is really well too. So it checks off a lot of boxes. Camera protection, check. Lip protection, check. Buttons work really great. Top and bottom lines up, check. The magnet is really strong on there. Doesn't have bulk, so a lot of boxes are checked off there. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can pick it up from their website. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.